Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A15, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me looks to be actually turned off by default. So let's tap right here on this button, and this will allow us to simply add Do Not Disturb mode to the toggles right here. So hold it, drag it over, and there we go. So now when we go back, we should have the toggle somewhere here. Now once you find it, hold it once more, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So we have schedules, we have mute media when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. We have also restrictions for notifications and allowing messages and calls. Those two have a couple options, so you can allow calls or messages from everyone, contacts, favorite contacts, or no one. With additional caveats to the calls, having this little toggle right here, that if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to completely bypass whatever is set right here. So if you want people to have that kind of option, you can enable it. If you don't, then simply keep it off. Now once you have set it all up the way you want to, all you need to do is just leave this place, and if you're relying on the scheduled Do Not Disturb mode, then you don't really need to turn it on. Once you set it up, I believe it automatically becomes toggled on, but if you want to turn it on manually, so to do so you need to only click on the toggle right here, select turn on, and there you go, it is now active. As you can see, this little icon right here, the moon icon, to signify that it is right now active. And once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. That being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.